Welcome to the online training for EC-CAD sheet metal. Today we're going to look at extracting our points out to the Trimble Total Station. So this works the same as in duct as it does in piping, so you may have some crossover on this video. But what we're going to do first thing is we're going to come over here and we're going to open up our fabrication palette by coming over here to our pull down under load catalog, and we're just going to go ahead and select the fabrication palette. On the fabrication palette, there's several tabs. We want to come down to the Total Station tab. And when we highlight that, we're going to come back up here and we're going to click onto this string. And we're going to right click and say we want a new category. And now we can rename this to whatever we choose. So I'm just going to call this First Floor Hangers. So as I go ahead and set the folder up for this, now I'm going to come down and I'm going to identify the type of files that I want to send to the Total Station. I can create an MEP, a TFL, or a CSV. I'm just going to select them all. Now I can come and select my define here at the bottom of the fab palette, and that's going to bring my dialog box up for my collecting my points. You can see here that I can select all points, or I have different categories. In this case, I've got duct center, duct top points, duct bottom points, and duct hanger points. The same holds true for mechanical points, plumbing points, and then we have our custom points here. So we have the ability to give our points a prefix, a numbering start value, and a suffix. We also can assign the layer to where these goes. I'm just going to let these default and say I'm going to pick up my duct bottom points and my duct hanger points. So as I go ahead and just hit OK for that, now I can just go ahead and swipe the drawing, and it's going to pick up the points for all my selected items, which in this case were my ducts. So I went ahead and now you can see here that it's identified the points here on my model. So it's picked up my bottom points and it's picked up my hanger points here. So now that file right here, I'm going to go ahead and just right click on that and say generate that file. Now that file has been created to go to the Total Station. So I can look at my path here, and if I go here to my documents, and I'll open up the folder that I want to look at, which is here. And this was the first floor 2021 drawing. And you can see under here I've got my first floor hangers. And there are my 3 different file types that can go to the Total Station. And that concludes the creating of the points for the Total Station.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist, or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.